For the junior animal feature, Griffin Gregory in the G2, Brenton Patterson in the 5, Carter Johnson in the 44, Jay Harrison Roberts in the 11. Here comes your quarter midgets again. Griffin Gregory back in December was the star of our show in the quarter midgets. He has really struggled this weekend. They'll get the 1 to go at the line. Patterson seems to have really been nice and smooth. And Roberts, he's now in his junior animal cart. The red 11, green flag is out. Here we go. Griffin Gregory, the G-man now, jumping out there to that early lead. Patterson gonna fight with Johnson for the number 2 spot. Patterson now, it seems like he gathers speed about 3 laps in as we've got some action back in the field now. Patterson getting on his horse and trying to ride while Gregory brings him down once again as your leader. We're getting 1/3 of the way home. Griffin Gregory, your leader. Patterson now getting on the high horse. They're getting to the halfway point. This is 7 of 15. Patterson arcing nice and smooth off of 3. Patterson has got the smooth line going off of 3 into 4. Gregory's lead getting even smaller. It'll be 5 to go this time by. Patterson, oh, and the caution will fly for Robert. 10 and 5 to go. 10 and 5 to go. And Gregory might have just got a break because Patterson had him lined up in his sights. It seems like Patterson, after about 3 laps, starts to gather up the speed. That'll now move Carter Johnson up into your number 3 spot. Roberts will drop back to the 4 position. Clone Light 320, you should be staged and ready. Clone Light 320, you should be staged and ready, followed by Junior 1 Clone Heavy. There we go. Want to thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for being here with us for our 5 to go run. You're slow tonight. What's wrong? Here we go. Gregory and Patterson to the side. Your junior animal title for the night. Green back at it, as we said. Gregory a little faster on the restarts as the yellow comes out. Johnson to the infield. Anytime one of the kids' carts in the quarter midget division comes to a stop, you go yellow by the United States Auto Club rules. Still at lap 10. They've still got 5 to go. 10 complete, 5 remaining. Gregory showed his muscle on that restart. Patterson, he's got to anticipate what's going to happen this time as they'll get the 1 to go at the line. Nope, no start this time. Whoop, 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 whoop. Don't believe everybody was set and ready. Gregory, Patterson, Roberts, don't count out that red 11. Yep, looks like Johnson gonna go back around. Now we're ready. Bumper to bumper on the start. Patterson gives Gregory a little love tap, says, hey, remember me? Here they come, green flag back out. Gregory, Patterson, don't count Johnson out. Johnson's 44, seems like he's got a good run looking on the low line. A white flag is going to be coming out this time for Gregory and Patterson with 1 to go. Gregory getting a little distance. Patterson going to give it all he can. No, as Griffin Gregory will take the feature in your junior animal class tonight. Just the way they finished. And ladies and gentlemen, your junior animal winner comes to us from Taylorville, Illinois. How about it? He's got a big G. That's why we call him the G-Man. Show him some love. Griffin Gregory, your feature winner.